Hello friends, welcome back to Datacraft Excel and BI Hub. Today in this video we are going to study and understand the concept of if and nested if condition in Power BI desktop. So currently we are in our Power BI desktop, and here's our data model. We have product name column in which we have our products, and then we have sum of sales column in which we have the total number of sales of these products, and then at the end we have a total row in which it is telling us the total number of sales of all of these products. So first of all, we are going to create a measure in which we will use the if condition. So basically the basic if statement in Power BI allows you to specify a condition, and based on whether that condition evaluates to true or false. Alright, so we are going to right click here on our profit and then click on new measure. Alright, so we are going to name our column as profit and loss equals to variable, and we are taking our variable as total sales equals to sum sales. All right, then shift enter and write return. All right, then again press shift plus enter, and here we are going to write our if condition. If total sales if total sales, the variable that we have chosen at the first condition, total sales is greater than or equals to 200,000, then give the value profit, but if it is not true, then give the value loss. Alright, now to understand the formula that we have written, we have taken our column name as profit and loss, then we have taken our variable as total sales, in which it is performing the function sum, which is adding up all of the sales in our profit column. And then this portion right here specifies the return value for the measure. It uses the if condition to check if the value of the total sales variable is greater than or equal to 200,000. If it is, the measure returns the string profit, otherwise it returns the string loss. Alright, so we're going to click enter. Alright, our measure has been created, so we are going to click on our element and then check it. Alright, let's see if it is added. Yes, so our profit and loss column has been created, in which it is telling us that the sales which are less than 200,000, it is given us the value loss, and the sales that are greater than 200,000, it has given us the value profit. Alright, now we are going to again create a new measure in which we will use our nested if condition. Alright, so a nested if statement basically involves multiple if statements within each other, allowing for more complex logical evaluations. Alright, so right click on our profit table, click on new measure, right. I'm going to name this as category profit category equals to variable, which is again going to be total sales, equals to performing the same function sum on our sales column in profit table. All right, shift plus enter, and then right here we're going to write return, shift plus enter, and then if condition sorry, total sales is less than 100,000, then give the value low, comma, shift plus enter, again if total sales is, if it is greater than 100,000, and total sale is less than 200,000, is less than 200,000, then give the value medium, sorry, give the value medium. But if the value is greater than 100,000 and also greater than 200,000, then give the value as high. Going to add another. All right, so this formula is basically doing the same thing, but we have used two if conditions. Here we have taken our column name as profit category, and here our variable is also the same, total sales, and which is performing the sum function by adding the sales in our profit table. And then here it is this portion is specifying the return value for the measure, that if the total sales is less than 100,000, that it is going to give the value low, but if the total sales column is value is greater than 100,000 and less than 200,000, then it is going to give the value medium. But if this if condition is not true, it is going to give the high value. So enter. What happened? All right, so I made a grammar mistake right here. So we have taken our since we have taken our variable name as total sales, so when using the if condition and using our variable name, you have to write it correctly, otherwise it will give this error. Enter. All right, so we're going to click on our element and then check our new measure. Right, okay, so our profit category column has been created, and it is telling us that the values that are less than 100,000, it is giving us the value low, and the values that are greater than 200,000, it is giving us the value high, and the values that are between 100,000 and 200,000, it is giving us the value medium. So this is it, folks. I hope you guys have understood the concept of if and nested if condition in Power BI desktop. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe.